You will continue to work until the day you die if you do not discover a way to earn money while you are sleeping. The name, Warren Buffett. Once upon a time, I believed that the process of generating income streams online was a lengthy and difficult one. Before I could even begin to see a single dollar, I assumed that I would need to implement elaborate funnels, enormous email lists, starting funds, and months of planning. As it turns out, I was incorrect. In only one day, I went from having no income to having 3 legitimate online income sources, each of which is capable of generating revenue on its own without any intervention from me. We do not have any fancy equipment, a large budget, or an agency crew. All you need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, and the determination to progress quickly. Hour 1 will focus on the 3-stream strategy. It wasn't about execution in the first hour. Rather, it was about creating clarity. I posed a straightforward inquiry to myself. If I were forced to generate 3 streams of income online right now, which ones would I choose? I was looking for a combination of speed, scalability, and leverage in my computer system. This is what I have decided to do. The first is a digital product, which can be launched quickly and is extremely scalable. The second is a service offer, which is high-ticket and provides rapid cash flow. The third is an affiliate funnel, which has passive potential and compounding profits. Stream 1. Digital product will be available from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. When I first began out, I focused on the digital product because it is one of the most straightforward ways to initiate a scalable income stream. There is no stock. There will be no shipping. Simply just information. When I was thinking about the one thing that I might teach that people would pay to learn, I came up with the idea of a little guide that I would call, please refer to the $100 Content Blueprint, how to monetize any skill with micro products for more information. It was written in Google Docs by me. I managed to keep it to 12 pages. There is no filler, only value that can be put into action. To teach exactly what I know, rather than pretending to be an expert in everything, was the key to success as a teacher. After the document was written, I used Canva to create a clean PDF. Has it been exported? I attached a price tag of $9 to it and uploaded it to Gumroad. The next step was for me to develop a straightforward landing page on Gumroad, compose a brief tweet thread marketing it, and then share it in 2 appropriate Reddit forums, one for digital products and one for solo entrepreneurs. Stream 2. Service offer in the hour between 6 and 12. In contrast to the fact that the digital product was developed with scale in mind, the service offer was intended for cash injection, for a higher cost. Customers are fewer. Work using one's hands. I made the decision to provide a service that I was able to execute in a timely manner and with high quality. Brand positioning audits for solopreneurs and small startups. The pricing was set at $297, and I marketed it as a 48-hour turnaround service that featured the following benefits. There is a 1-page PDF audit, comments from a voice memo, and next measures that may be taken to improve messaging, price, and offers. To attract attention to it as quickly as possible, I prepared a tweet that offered early-stage founders 3 free audits. On Twitter and LinkedIn, I uploaded it with a direct call to action that said, DM me if you are interested. Within 90 minutes, I received 9 direct messages. I succeeded in exceeding their expectations for 3 of them, and by the 10th hour, one of them inquired, how much would it cost to have you assist me with the rebranding? The result was that I had my very first paid client. A total of $297 is in the bag. There should be no cold emails, no fancy website at all. Only action and communication are required. Stream 3. Affiliate funnel will be available from 12 to 20 minutes. The moment had come to manufacture something that was not active. Throughout my career, I have utilized a multitude of software as a service SaaS products, publications, and templates. A significant number of them provide affiliate programs, which means that I am eligible to receive a commission if someone registers using my link. Consequently, I created a page on Notion with the following title: My Creator Tech Stack. Everything I use to build, sell, and automate is the title of this article. I added 10 tools that I often use, along with sincere descriptions of what each tool does and how I put it to use. I included my affiliate link in each one. I provided links to several tools such as Gumroad for good sales, Framer for uncomplicated websites, Notion to plan and provide content, Beehive for sending out bulletins via email. After that, I included a link to the Notion page in my Twitter bio, and as a follow-up email to all of the individuals who had purchased my product. 2 affiliate signups were received by me that very same night, even before I went to sleep. Despite the fact that it was not very large, it was evidence that this stream would gradually increase in the background. Hour 24 to 24, distribution and automation. Every one of the 3 sources of income was operational at this stage. However, visibility was of the utmost importance. That being said, I spent the last couple hours using Typefully to schedule postings on Twitter, creating a free Notion bonus for product purchasers to enhance their perceived worth, creating an automated thank you email for product customers, and referring them to my affiliate stack, creating a free Notion bonus for product buyers to increase perceived value, setting up Stripe to collect payments for my service offer, direct message sent to 5 additional potential clients from Twitter and Reddit. The most important things I learned today. First, speed is superior to perfection. I would still be sitting on ideas if I had waited until everything was perfect before moving forward. Motion is what generates momentum. At a later time, you can always refine. 2, people are willing to pay more for clarity than for size. My $9 product was not an ebook that was 200 pages long. The information was concise, targeted, and immediately helpful. It is the outcomes, not the fluff, that people are looking for. 3, the conversion rate of relationships is higher than that of cold funnels. My client for my service did not come from a sponsored advertisement. Following a talk, he emerged. Before selling, you should serve. 4, passive income is time-consuming but extremely powerful. Even while the affiliate funnel did not explode overnight, it is now a steady stream that continues to increase each time someone makes a purchase or registers for an account. What comes after this? The beginning is simply the beginning with these 3 streams. More will be added to them over the coming few weeks, including the addition of upsells, the refinement of the funnel, and the development of an audience centered on the content provided. Want to see the exact systems I used? If you want to see the exact templates, tools, and scripts I used to launch all 3 streams in 24 hours, I've packaged them up into a Notion doc plus free mini course. Just subscribe here or DM me 3 streams on Twitter and I'll send it to you. Let's build online income in a scrappy, smart, and fast way.